Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best zip-around RFID-blocking women's wallet on the market. The Bveyzi Women's RFID-blocking Wallet Leather Zip-Around Phone Clutch. From the moment you get your hands on this wallet, the first thing you'll notice is the craftsmanship. It's made of genuine leather that feels both soft and durable. The exterior has a slightly pebbled texture, giving it a luxurious look without being too flashy. It's stylish, elegant, and versatile enough to match casual wear, business attire, or even travel outfits. Now let's talk about functionality, because this is where the Bveyzi wallet really shines. As the name suggests, it's a zip-around clutch. That means you can fully enclose and secure all your belongings. No more worrying about items slipping out or getting lost in the bottom of your bag. When you unzip the wallet, you're greeted with a smart, intuitive layout. There are 17 card slots, 3 compartments for cash or receipts, 1 zipper pocket for coins, and even space for a smartphone. Yes, a full-sized phone, so if you're running quick errands, this wallet can double as a phone clutch. RFID blocking is another huge selling point. In today's digital age, identity theft and credit card skimming are real concerns. This wallet comes equipped with RFID blocking technology, which means your cards are protected from unauthorized scans. That extra layer of security brings peace of mind, especially when you're traveling or using public transport. It also includes a detachable wrist strap, so you can carry it as a wristlet when you don't want to take a full purse with you. This is perfect for things like grocery runs, walks, or quick coffee breaks. The zipper is smooth and feels high quality. It doesn't snag or stick, which is a common issue in lower quality wallets. And that might seem like a small thing, but when you're using this every day, the ease of opening and closing really matters. Another major highlight is the size. It's spacious, but not bulky. It maintains a slim profile even when full, so it easily slides into larger handbags, tote bags, or travel backpacks. If you're someone who travels frequently or just loves to stay organized, this wallet is going to impress you. The interior compartments help keep everything in its place, and the structure doesn't lose its shape over time. You'll find that it still looks and functions great even months into daily use. Available in a range of classic and modern colors, the Bveyzi wallet gives you plenty of style options. Whether you prefer the timeless black or want something with a pop of color, there's likely a version that fits your taste. In terms of value, you're getting a lot here. Premium leather, RFID protection, excellent organization, and multifunctionality. All for a price that's quite competitive compared to designer brands that offer less utility. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a wallet that combines style, security, and smart design, the Bveyzi Women's RFID blocking leather zip-around phone clutch is a top-tier choice. It's practical enough for daily use and polished enough for special occasions. A wallet that works just as hard as you do, and looks good doing it. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns. Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.